Hello everyone, this is Alistair. Today I'm going to talk to you about products. Over the last videos we've been discussing how to create your pop-up sites. I've shown you how to buy your domain name. I've shown you how to get your web server and join the two things together. I've shown you how to install WordPress, and I've shown you how to install a theme into WordPress to make your site look like a professional e-commerce store. I've shown you how to change the settings, but one thing that we haven't got so far are any products. And of course, it's the most important part of the store. Now, finding products for your store could be a very difficult process. It would entail you going to find some products to start with, and then once you've found those products, you then have to make an agreement with those people that are shipping those products as to how much you would be able to pay for their products, their end, and then you'd have to make sure that you made enough markup on the back end so that when you sold them on, you made a decent profit. You then have to find somewhere to store those products. You'd have to get some capital to buy those products first and store them. And of course, you'd have to make sure that those products would definitely sell in the first place. And it was a very high risk strategy to have to take, and a lot of work involved, and a lot of people to keep happy. People do it. There are plenty of bricks and mortar businesses out there that sell products, as we know. There are also plenty of e-commerce stores that sell products in that fashion. But with the pop-up store, what we need to do is we need to be able to put the store up, get the products up very quickly, and then move on to the next store. And to do that, go out and find products that would fit the store, sign an agreement, get everything photographed, ready to go up on the site, type all the copy in, and put all the pricing in, and everything else that came with that. By the time you got round to doing all of that, your pop-up store might as well be a bricks and mortar store. So what I want to show you is the easiest way to get products for your website. And there's no need to go and find somebody who sells products. There's no need to store those products. There's no need to sign any agreements with anybody. There's no need to go and photograph those products. There's no need to go write all the copy for those products. There's even no need to go and find the pricing for those products and type that in, because everything that we do will be automated.